Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet versus Calendly. Calendly provides you with 5 pricing plans. Free plan. Essentials, $8 a month. Professional, $12 a month. Teams, $16 a month. Enterprise, individual price. Calendly Features. Workflows. Automate communications before and after meetings. Website scheduling. Add Calendly to your website to streamline scheduling. Calendar connections. Connect up to 6 calendars per user to check real-time availability. Meeting pools. Pull your attendees for their availability and arrive at the best time for most. Appointlet Features. Share your meeting availability with a single link. Generate a link to your scheduling page so it's easy for people to book a time with you. Manage your existing meetings. Review scheduled meetings, take internal notes, and filter through your data with ease. Require advance notice for bookings. Prevent last-minute bookings so you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. And many more. Check the link in the description. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes, and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.